So this video is going to try to attempt to show you how to use a filtering program that will allow you to make RSS feeds from websites that don't already have that capability. So we're going to use an application called 5Filters. It's a free online application, and their motto is to encourage people to start exploring the world of non-corporate online news and analysis. So their website has a bunch of tools, but we're just going to focus on Feed Creator. So in order to create a feed, you'll need the URL of the site you're using and a little bit of understanding of how to read the HTML of the source you're using. I didn't understand how to do this either, so don't worry. Luckily, David showed me a cool little trick of how to inspect the elements in order to look for class patterns within them. Now let's go ahead and grab a URL from the source that we want to pull from. So for this example, I'm going to use the Educational Resource Information Center, ERIC, with a search for articles on autism. So once we have our URL, we'll bring it back to the feed creator. And the next thing we'll need to do is to take a look at the HTML elements whose ID or class attributes match the type of work we want to be in that feed. So you'll need to find common class attributes that each article shares. So how to do that? You'll right-click and inspect elements on a few articles to see which class attributes are used to highlight the sections we would like to include. So we can kind of see from this example that r_t is that class attribute. So let's go ahead and plop that in. The next field is to help aggregate only the correct pages you want to pull from. So if you look at the URL, you'll notice a pattern identifier for the articles versus just another random link. For this example, it looks like Q equals tells us that it's an article and not just another link. So let's go ahead and plug that in as well. Now once you have all this information completed, go ahead and hit preview. Now if everything is correct, you should see a list of articles that will populate below. From here you can use the service shortcuts to create a feed with excerpts, full text, or PDF newspaper. Or you can just use the feed button to pick the aggregator of your choice. So yeah, that's pretty much it. You're ready to start making feeds, and good luck.